Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this post, I will show you how I play Lay Down, a song by Melanie, backed up by a popular 60s choir, the Edwin Hawkins Singers. The guitar is tuned standard, E-A-D-G-B-E, and the key is G major. So let's take a quick look at the chords we're going to need for this. We'll need a G chord, a conventional D chord, an F chord formed this way, an E minor chord, and an A major chord. Now this song starts with the chorus, so we'll be playing a G chord, a D chord, an F chord, and a G chord. And we'll strum this way. Now that strumming pattern is putting emphasis on down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. So the G chord was down, down. The D chord, up, up, down, down. The F chord, down, down. And the G chord, up, up, down, down. Just like that. Now we'll do that progression 3 times. And on the 4th time around, we'll end the progression with an E minor chord. So the 4th time around, we'll play this. So we played the E minor chord for 8 beats so that we could get into our verses. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So here's the entire thing. 2, 3, 4. Next, we'll go to the verses. And for the verses, we'll use the same strumming pattern, but we'll play D and E minor. Now next is the bridge. For the bridge, we'll go to D chord, A, E minor chord, G, D, E minor, G, D, E minor, G, D, E minor, then back to the chorus. Okay, so let's do that again. Two, ready, this is the bridge. Chord. Well guys, since all the parts repeat, that's all you have to know in order to play this great song on acoustic guitar. That's Lay Down by Melanie and the Edwin Hawkins Singers. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.